Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So as you can see today, we got a lot of stuff to open, a lot of stuff for me to catch up on. I have boxes and I have lots of packages. So I think I'll just go ahead and do packages first. All right. Bring it all over. So I hope everything's been going good for y'all. As I mentioned before, I've been posting all my Facebook ads in my previous videos. So if you were to follow along and watch all my videos, then you'll see all the ads, right? All right, so let's get started. Guess I don't need to open a box after this so I can throw all my junk into it. So this one was a Facebook seller and they were giving out coupons. And this was like 98% off on different sets of earrings. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Okay, let me just open up a box so I can throw my trash into it. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm doing my video at a different location, so I'm hoping the angle will be okay for y'all to see. I'm thinking it looks okay. All right. So this was another Facebook ad. And I'm pretty sure I linked this one because this is a pretty cool one. They were out of it for a while, so I just kept messaging, and finally they said, hey, we have some in stock, and you can go ahead and order, and of course they send you the refund. But my kids, they love this stuff, so I always try to jump on any of these slime kits that they have out there. All right, so I'm gonna have a box for my trash. I'm sorry if I didn't make this one clear, but it was just a whole bunch of earrings. It's in bubble wrap. I don't really feel like taking it out, but it's like, like 30 pairs of different type of earrings. This is Nasal Vince. So if you have a snoring problem, this is exactly what you need. Let me turn on the lights a little bit. Sorry, y'all. It's a little too bright. Yeah, I was just helping out the seller. She was just trying to get some of these out the door. It was a combo deal. By me ordering this for her, she would also let me order these sleeping pads, and that hopefully is somewhere around here, and I'll show you, and I'll let you know why I jumped on it. Okay, so here is, wow, is this lighting bad? I can't tell. Is it lighting too bright? So it's just another ultimate face and body cream by Honey Skin. They've been doing a lot of ads for this stuff, so I'm just jumping on their ads whenever I can. That's a big bag for that small package. All right, so now here's a Jinxing green tea purifying clay mask. That's a little bit smaller than I expected, but it was free. All right, this bag weighs a little more here. What do we have here? All right, so this is another Facebook ad. It was a premium rifle sling, Antilia. But it's a high impact steel for a clipping system. I just got this. I'll probably use it for my shotgun or something. But that was a cool one. You normally don't really see this type of ads, free ads for items like that. So when I saw it, I jumped on it as soon as I could. All right, what do we have here? Okay. Oh, okay, so this was a ski mask thingy. or motorcycle mask. Wow, it looks a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but yeah, it's just for whenever you're riding or it's kind of dusty, a little bit cold or something. I don't have a motorcycle, so I don't really have a use for it as much, but I don't know. I'll figure out another use for it somehow. Maybe when it's just cold outside. Sorry guys, I'm a little off camera here, but I'm just slowly. As you can tell, I'm a little bit sick. I was really sick yesterday, so I couldn't really. I was recording my video yesterday, but I was too sick. See, so here's the other part to this Facebook seller here. And this is just another cool sleeping pad. You know, outdoor sleeping pad. And it blows up. It's real light, portable. Yeah, I love collecting these. I don't know why. I just want to collect as many of these as I can get. I don't really go camping that much, but it's still nice to have. Be prepared for whenever I do go camping with my kids. All right, this one is not really cooperating. Big box here. Oh, look at that. So this is obviously a Facebook ad. I remember getting my other set, but I don't remember really getting a set of just straight forks. So is that free ship? Nope, it wasn't a free ship. Okay, well I guess I ordered this and I just totally forgot. Which is possible. Yeah, I have ordered so many items, so it's hard to recall. But I would assume that would be a Facebook ad. Ooh. This one smells, okay. Oh yeah, this is Facebook ad for sure. I remember this one. Took me a while to jump on this. The seller was always out of stock, but I finally got it. Another item for my kids to play with. But as you can see, it's just a canister, and then you can decorate it with like a bejeweled type thing, or stickers or markers. I think it's pretty cool, and my kids should love this. Oh, it only comes in one bottle. Oh, okay, I thought it came with two. Even the front cover had two, so I could still be fighting over that. This has to be a free ship. Yep, free ship. So it looks like for iPhones. Display for HDMI. Yeah, cool. I mean, I think I have a couple of these now, so I don't really have too much of a use for it, but it's always nice to have to give to someone whenever they needed it. Oh, it's more of a, looks like a HDMI, oh no, mini DVI to display port to HDMI converter. Okay. Yeah, I'll see. Maybe I have an old laptop that might need that. Free ship. All right, 8 minutes, not too bad. So let me try to talk a little faster here. So here's another Facebook ad. Ultra Purifying Clay Mask. As you can see, it seems like this month they're pushing out a lot of facial stuff. A lot of masks and lotions and stuff. Yeah, I think it just comes in cycles of what they think is going to trend, and then they can't get enough people to buy, so they start giving it away just to boost their sales. All right, so this is another Facebook ad. It comes with this potent concentrated formula, and you can, I assume, make at least 2+ quarts. So you can make at least 2 of these bottles, and it's just an all-purpose cleaner. I mean, it's free, so I figure why not? I can just use it to spray down and clean something. Again there. There's soap in here. Alright. That's it, that one. What we have here, LED string lights. I'm gonna order this one. I think I do recall this one. Yeah, string lights. Yeah, I remember this one, the seller actually got blocked, so I had to kind of double check, make sure I get refunded for this. But it's supposed to be a cool LED color changing bulbs. So you see how it's white here, but it should change into different colors. I don't know, I'm just collecting these. I haven't really had a purpose to put them anywhere yet, but I just want to collect them. Going through this pretty fast here. So this is Mole Skin Tag Corrector. Yeah, I guess if you have moles or skin tags, then I guess this will help get rid of it. I think I recall that, getting that. Alright, what is this big old thing? Okay, so it looks like it's a big soft fleece blanket for a couch or bench. Okay, well, I guess I'll wash that and I'll let you know how that goes. Alright, well, I went through this pretty fast, so I'll just keep this short and I'll see you on my next video where I'll open up all the boxes because I have a lot of boxes to go through. Alright, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe and comment below on what you like the best here. For me, maybe the sleeping pad, because I always enjoy getting those. I haven't really used them that much, but it's just nice to have. Alright, I'll keep it there.